Honorable Melchor D. Declas, MD, Governor of the Province of Benguet, to the Sangguniang Panlalawigan members, headed by Honorable Marie Rose Pongwan Kepes, Vice Governor, Honorable Eric Goyam, Representative of Benguet Province, Honorable Roderick Siawingan, Municipal Mayor of La Trinidad, to the Honorable members of the Sangguniang Bayan of La Trinidad, headed by Honorable Vice Mayor Gilian Galwang, to all the distinguished officials, esteemed guests, employees, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant and joyous morning to everyone. It is my privilege with you today as I convey the warmest greetings and congratulations of our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Liam S. Cesar, and the people of Rosales on the occasion of the 76th Foundation Anniversary of the Municipality of La Trinidad. Mayor William Cesar sincerely regrets that he could not join you personally today due to prior official commitments and important municipal engagement that require his presence in our municipality. Nevertheless, he asks me to extend his heartfelt congratulations and best wishes to all of you this meaningful celebration. Our presence here today goes beyond formality. It is a sincere expression of solidarity and friendship between our communities. As sister municipalities committed to the welfare and progress of our people, Rosales and La Trinidad share a common vision of inclusive development, good governance, and public service. Though separated by distance, we are united by our aspirations for stronger communities, greater opportunities, and brighter future for all. Your team, Limitless La Trinidad, rooted by heritage, boundless in vision, beautifully captures the spirit of your municipality. It reflects a community that remains firmly grounded in its rich history and cultural heritage, while boldly embracing innovation, growth, and the possibilities of tomorrow. La Trinidad has long been recognized as a beacon of excellence, renowned for its agricultural achievements, vibrant culture, and resilient people. Your remarkable journey serves as inspiration to local governments across the country, proving that when a community remains true to its roots, it gains the strength to reach even greater heights. As we celebrate this significant milestone with you, we reaffirm our commitment to strengthen the bonds of cooperation and friendship between our municipalities. May this occasion not only honor your proud past, but also pave the way for deeper collaboration and shared success in the years ahead. On behalf of Mayor Liam S. Cesar, I myself, Municipal Councilor Christopher Coloma, the officials of the Municipality of Rosales, and our fellow Rosalinians, we extend our heartfelt congratulations to the Municipality of La Trinidad on your 76th Foundation Anniversary. May you continue to flourish, inspire, and lead with purpose, ever rooted in your heritage and boundless in your vision. Happy 76th Founding Anniversary, La Trinidad! Mabuhay ang La Trinidad! Mabuhay ang pagkakaisa at kapatiran ng ating mga bayan. Diyos tiagngina, kadagay aming apo. Thank you and a pleasant day to all.
Thank you very much, Councilor Christopher Conrad, for delivering the message, and of course to the Rosales